Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC continues to hover in a range down here. So the support area you can see is being respected by the price. It's the yellow support region here between 58 cents and 73 cents. And it's not breaking. Okay, we're holding support, but the chart has been to a degree disappointing and just does not show the upside momentum that we would really need to see for a confident assessment that the wave 2 correction has finished, okay, and that we are now in a third wave to the upside. In this video, I want to share with you what the relevant support levels are, upside breakout points, and also what the next setup could be. If any, if for some people it might just be too uncertain here, and from a structural point of view, I can tell you that, yeah, I'm not convinced that the low is in. I'd like it to be in because it would be good for the chart, okay, and it would be in line with my overall expectations that we follow through here in a third wave to the upside, then get a fourth and a fifth. But as you can see, the chart has just been caught in a sideways range. And to be honest, even if we zoom out, then you can see that this chart has been in this range for a long time, basically since 2022, without any upside escalation really. So it's not really good, even though we can count 5 waves to the upside. But at the moment, the pullback has been quite deep. And there has been a reaction to the support zone. Yes, I mean, we're hovering sideways, but that's not really the buying momentum I would really want to see to be confident that this correction is complete. So that means we have 5 up here into the December highs. We have a potential 3-wave move down, very questionable with that overshooting X wave, but yeah, okay, we have 3 waves down into the current support area that is defined between 73 cents and 58 cents. Any sustained break below 58 cents will make this entire chart and the bullish structure highly questionable, but the invalidation point is not reached until we break below 49.2 cents basically in wave 2. So that's really the key level then, okay? At the moment, we're holding that. We're holding even above the ideal support area. There is a difference between what support is and invalidation. Below the invalidation point, it's black and white, and I cannot really uphold any direct bullish scenario anymore. As long as we're holding support though, and even if we break support, the invalidation point is still holding, then that would still allow me to at least consider it, but the probabilities below support will reduce. Now, at the moment, I can tell you when we look at the microstructures, it is technically possible the low is in, of course, but then, it would need to move up in a diagonal pattern, and it hasn't even broken out of the range here, the local range. So if I add a line here, this is really the level it needs to get above. That's at 76.6 cents. Oops, one second, wrong button. Here, 76.6, 76.7 cents. That's the level we need to get above, like a small breakout point, and then we can look for the price to get into this region here to fulfill, as highlighted in white, a full diagonal pattern. Once we get 5 waves up to around 92, 93 cents, then we can say, okay, yep, we've probably bottomed. Now we can then add another support region for the subsequent A, B, C pullback that would be expected. But I cannot give you a separate support area for that now because we haven't even topped, and the price would need to hold above the 58.7 cent level then, which is the 14th of April low. At the moment, 13th of April low. At the moment, yeah, we're just ranging, just sideways, could turn into a triangle. The wave 4 might have topped here, and this is just sort of an A, B, C to the downside in wave 5. One more low cannot be ruled out at this stage. And for me, after the next low, I mean, the low must be in, or this bullish structure is going to fail. If anybody wants to wait for more clarity, you can always wait for the first 5-wave move to the upside. Now, this is only an ideal structure that I've put on the chart. Of course, these 5 waves could extend a bit. They might even reach $1 or higher. But this is sort of what I would need to see, ideally at least. Okay, that means a third wave to 87.4 cents, which is here the 1.38 extension, and a 5th wave to 92.5, which means if we don't even get to 92.5 in 5 waves, it's going to be questionable. And if the third wave doesn't even get to 87.4, it's going to be questionable. So, but they can go higher. So the third might go to the 1.618, and then the 5th might go even higher. But yeah, first of all, before we talk about that, let's see if it can actually break out above 76.6. I don't see much upside momentum. It just needs to give us more momentum. I'm not convinced that we've bottomed yet. That's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.